Hello everyone, welcome back to BabuTechX, the channel where science, technology, and smart learning come together. Today we are talking about chess, a game that improves memory, concentration, and decision-making skills. Instead of learning the old way, I'm going to show you the top 5 websites to learn chess online using modern technology. First is chess.com, one of the most popular chess platforms in the world, offering lessons, puzzles, practice with bots, and game analysis tools that help beginners and advanced players improve step by step. Next is Laguz.org, a completely free platform where you can play with people worldwide, solve puzzles, and use powerful analysis features to understand your mistakes, making it perfect for serious learners. Third is ChessKid, specially designed for kids and beginners, with simple lessons, fun videos, and a safe environment that makes learning chess easy and enjoyable. Fourth, we have Chessable, which uses science-based learning techniques like spaced repetition to help you remember openings, and tactics for a long time, making it great for structured and smart learning. Finally, Internet Chess Club is one of the oldest online chess communities where players can compete with strong opponents, watch live games, and improve their strategy at a higher level. These platforms show how science and technology make learning faster, interactive, and more effective. Chess is not just a game, it is brain training that develops logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Try these websites and see which one works best for you. And if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to BabuTechX for more science and technology learning content.